Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to check your Cash App balance. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you need to do is just simply to log in into your account on Cash App or mobile app, and simply you will need to open up your Cash App app, and basically you will need to log in, and to do so you will need either to enter your phone or email. Then you click on next. After that you will get a confirmation code on uh, the method that you have used. So basically if you have connected with your phone number, you will get a verification from your phone number. If you got logged in within your email, you will get verification in your email. After that, you will be welcome to the Cash App, and basically this will be the first screen or the first page that you will be seeing. And from here, you will be needing to see, you are able to see already your balance from here, or you can click to this tab. And by clicking on this tab, you will be redirected to your Money tab. And the first thing that you are seeing in the Money tab is your cash balance. So basically, this is your Cash App balance, and you are able to see it as simply as that. That means that all you need to do is just to log in into your account, and basically you will be able to see your Cash App balance. And as you can see here in this example, we can find that already the balance is showing in the bar menu as well as in the cash balance, even if it is more details with just two other digits, etc. And basically from now you can start adding cash or cash out, etc. So thank you for watching and see you next time.